Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have your separate camera clip and the clean audio track. Start by confirming frame rate and noted start times so nothing drifts. Next, identify a clear sync point, a sharp clap or slate spike, in both waveforms and the video. Once done, import both files into your editor or DAW and align them roughly at the same timeline marker so you can zoom in to refine. Make sure to keep originals untouched and work on copies for safety. You'll now perform the precise alignment. Zoom into the waveform and match the sharp transient of the clap to the video's reference frame so the peaks line up sample for sample. Once visually aligned, play short sections and nudge the audio by milliseconds if needed. Use slip trimming rather than moving whole clips when maintaining in slash-out points matters. Also inspect phase and room tone if it sounds hollow or comb-filtered. Try shifting by a few samples to eliminate cancellations, and always listen on headphones. Finish by setting the clean track as your primary audio, lowering or muting the camera's scratch mic, and balancing levels. Then export a short test clip to confirm the sync holds on other players and devices. Different players sometimes reveal issues. If you encounter drift or gradual desync, recheck frame rates, variable frame recording settings, and any timecode offsets. Fix by conforming frame rates or using audio stretch tools with minimal artifacts. One troubleshooting tip: if sync slowly shifts,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.